Welcome to this trigonometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore a very useful variation of the Pythagorean identity. Specifically, we will learn how to derive the relationship between tangent squared and secant squared. To begin, we need to revisit the most fundamental equation in trigonometry. sin² plus cosine² equals 1. This is our starting point for everything we will do today. Before we proceed with the algebra, let's quickly recall two important definitions. First, tangent is defined as sine divided by cosine. Second, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, or 1 divided by cosine. Keeping these in mind will make the next steps very clear. So, how do we get from our starting equation to the new form? The strategy is simple but powerful. We will take our original Pythagorean identity and divide every single term by cosine²θ. Let's set this up. We take sin² and divide it by cosine². We take cosine² and divide it by itself. And finally, on the other side of the equals sign, we take 1 and divide it by cosine². Now, let's simplify term by term. Look at the first fraction, sin² over cosine². Since sine over cosine is tangent, this term simplifies perfectly to tangent²θ. Next, look at the middle term, cosine² divided by cosine². Any non-zero number divided by itself is just 1. So, this entire term simplifies to the number 1. Finally, look at the right side of the equation, 1 over cosine². Since 1 over cosine is secant, this term becomes secant²θ. When we put all those simplified pieces back together, we arrive at our new identity. Tangent² plus 1 equals secant²θ. This is a crucial formula for calculus and higher-level math. We can visualize this on the unit circle. If we construct a right triangle where the base lies on the x-axis with a length of 1, the vertical side touching the circle becomes the length of tangent-θ. The hypotenuse, connecting the origin to that vertical line, has a length equal to secant-θ. Applying the Pythagorean theorem to this triangle, base squared plus height squared equals hypotenuse squared, visually confirms our formula. 1 squared plus tangent squared equals secant squared. To recap what we learned, we started with the basic identity. We divided every term by cosine², and by simplifying the fractions, we derived the tangent-secant form. Remember this technique, as it allows you to rederive the formula anytime you forget it.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.